Do you struggle with knowing how to set up a YouTube account? Are you put off by stories of YouTubers having their accounts closed? Welcome to this video entitled How to Set Up a YouTube Account and Know the Terms of Service. In other words, learn how YouTube can massively benefit your business by learning the rules of the game. Before we do so, be sure to watch the video to the very end where you'll be able to download your free PDF copy entitled How to Be the Best You Can at YouTube. Hi, my name's Jeff Laming from Video Cashflow, and in this video we're going to highlight how to set up your YouTube account and to find out what the terms of service are. And if this is the first time you're watching a Video Cashflow video and you like what you hear, see and read, then please click the subscribe button at the bottom of this video to get more video marketing and business videos on a weekly basis. By the time you've got to the stage of setting up your YouTube account, you have probably considered at least some of the following. 1. Why you would want to use video in your business. 2. Where video fits into your overall marketing plan. 3. How video can elevate you and your business to authority status. 4. How to rank your videos on page 1 of YouTube and Google. 5. How your business can benefit in the short term. And 6. The long-term plan. So now we need to take action by setting up your Google account and YouTube channel. Just to clarify, when people refer to a YouTube account, what it means is that an account is set up on Google because Google own YouTube, and then a YouTube channel has to be created before you can upload videos to it. Here's a link to follow that provides clear steps on how to set up your Google, i.e. YouTube account, which you'll find below. You can find many YouTube videos on this very subject to help you set up your account. However, YouTube and Google provide some very clear explanations and tutorials on most aspects of YouTube, and will also likely be more up to date than many videos, so I'd encourage you to use the resources already available to you. Once you've set yourself up on Google, there's one further step to take, and it is probably the most unglamorous aspect of YouTube you'll ever come across. However, it is probably the most important part of YouTube that you'll need to learn, because it will help maintain your status as a worthy YouTuber and ensures your online business avoids an inherent and often overlooked risk. This next step is YouTube's terms of service, and you can find the URL link at the bottom or underneath this video. It won't take you long to read the terms and to familiarise yourself with things like 1. General rules and restrictions on what's acceptable and what's not. 2. Copyright issues. And 3. Content guidelines. Most of it is all common sense stuff. However, from a business perspective, it's important to put in place measures that will minimise your risk in the event that you do have your YouTube account shut down. So please bear the following in mind. YouTube is a platform that is policed by YouTube and Google, and so is no different to any other social media platform in that respect. 2. Accept that your account will be suspended on the odd occasion. This is because they act on the basis of taking action first and asking questions later. In other words, you are deemed to be guilty until you prove your innocence. And 3. Do not build your business wholly around the YouTube platform. What I mean by this is twofold. 1. Do not rely on YouTube viewers to form the basis of your prospect numbers. Share your great information with the other social media platforms whilst directing them to your YouTube channel and videos with strategically placed calls to action. And 2. Build an email list. Basically, YouTube is a marketing tool. So you want to get viewers watching short, i.e. 90-second or so videos on YouTube that you can then direct them to your website or landing pages for them to get access to your value-added information that will help provide a solution to whatever issue or problems they require help with. For the viewer to access the downloadable information, which could be an ebook or a short online mini video series, the viewer is required to opt in and leave their email address. This now enables you to provide more great information in the form of regular emails, where from time to time you can also suggest other products and services that can help solve their problems. A great example of providing these regular emails is what is known as an autoresponder, and there's a link to the Aweber site in the description box below this video. The important thing to grasp here is that your email list is under your control. If you start to monetize it to the extent that it generates a relevant income stream for you, then your email list has a value to it. The more money it generates, the more valuable the asset, i.e. the list, becomes. So in the event that YouTube or Google do decide for whatever reason that you've breached their terms of service, irrespective of how absurd the reasons for doing so are, your business can continue to operate profitably. Yes, it can be a bloody nuisance, but that's the way of the world, and you have to move on and focus your efforts on your business and serving your clients. So summing up then, basically set up your Google account so you can set up your YouTube channel after you've familiarised yourself with YouTube's terms of service. The two key URL links I referred to earlier are shown in the description box below this video. And to minimise the risk of your online business being disrupted in any way, start building an email list as soon as possible. That's it. I hope you found the content of this video helpful and useful. In the meantime, if you'd like to find out more about YouTube and YouTube advertising, there's a couple of links that I've placed in the description box below this video. One's called Master YouTube Ads and the other one is called Tube Video Camp Lifetime. You will also find a URL link to TubeBuddy, an analytics and optimization tool that supplements and enhances the YouTube website. Kindly note that these links are affiliate links, which means that if you go on to buy a product or service, then at no extra cost to you, will receive a small commission. If you found any of the information in this video helpful, please enter VidBiz in the comment section underneath the video. And don't forget to download your free PDF copy entitled How to Be the Best You Can at YouTube. You'll find the URL link in the description box below this video. Thanks for watching. Look out for another video on video marketing and YouTube coming your way next week. And if you like this video, please click the like button underneath the video. Feel free to share the video with friends, family, business colleagues and associates. And by all means leave a comment or ask a question in the comment section also underneath the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you'd like more videos on video marketing and business tips, tactics, techniques and strategies to help you with your own online business. Until next time, bye for now.